This narration speaks to how to make money on the internet. Now please be aware that there are many scams out there and that 99.9% of the people who try to make money on the internet don't. Just be forewarned. Although internet income, home-based business, and internet income opportunities for free allow you to make money with your website on the internet. To increase internet home income, the most important way to make money with your website is to increase search engine traffic to your website and thus increase the click-through rate. I am going to now speak to a number of direct and indirect methods to increase money from your website. First, there are the direct methods. Pay-per-click advertising networks. You can use Google AdSense on your web pages. You sign up with Google and they will give you HTML code to add to your website. Google will then post contextual ads, both text or images, relevant to your website, and you will be paid a small amount of money for each click. Google values the cost per click, and this is the drawback, as value is usually very low and you have no control over value. Google changes the rules of engagement often and mostly for their benefit, and is most difficult to understand Google changes. Free information websites appear to not be of value to Google. Search engine traffic is of most value. Any other, especially purchased or social media, is not highly valued. Google competitors are Yahoo Publisher Network, Bidvertiser, Chiquita, and Clickster. They probably pay as much as AdSense. Secondly, there is CPM, cost per thousand advertising networks to achieve internet income. It operates the same as PPC, except you get paid by the number of page views on pages which you have ads, and will increase internet home income. Google does have some competitors, and a list of popular CPM advertising networks are Casal Media, Burst Media, ValueClick, Advertising.com, Tribal Fusion, and Right Media. The third way to make money is direct banner advertising on your website. This only works if you have a lot of traffic, but is one of the most lucrative methods. You can also go to various links to advise you how to do this. How to find advertisers for your website, finding advertisers for your blog, Open Ads Ad Server, OIO Publisher Ad Server. The fourth method is to use text link ads. Google stated that sole text links must have a no-follow tag or the site will be penalized. You can sell this service directly through your website or use a text link service to increase your income. Some text link marketplaces and networks are Digital Link Sales Forum, Text Link Ads, Text Link Brokers, TNX, and Linkworth. The fifth way to make money is affiliate marketing internet income. This is popular as you simply advertise other people's product. The product is purchased directly from the manufacturer and you are paid a stipulated fee which will increase your income. You may peruse and check out affiliate programs at places like DreamHost or SEO Book. A list of popular affiliate marketplaces and networks are Commission Junction, ClickBank, Azoogle Ads, LinkShare. The sixth way of making money is monetization widgets. Some widgets operate like PPC, text link ads or affiliate links. Some companies that provide monetization widgets are WidgetBucks, Scratchback, and SmartLinks. Another way to make money is sponsored reviews. Simply, you write favorable blogs on products or websites and you get paid for it. This will help to increase internet home income. Some sponsored reviews and paid blogging networks are PaperPost, Sponsored Reviews, Review Me, Blogvertise, and Smarty. The eighth way of making money on the internet is be a sponsor for single columns or events. If your website has periodic blurbs, you could find companies to pay to sponsor the event. Two companies offering to market for this service are Mashable and ProBlogger. Premium content. Some websites and blogs provide free content and charge a small fee for premium content. The 10th way to make money is in private forums. Create a private forum where people pay a fee to join. Another popular way is job boards. Most, if not all, of the popular blogs include job boards to generate income. You must have a unique niche which will attract those looking for work in a related field. You can charge from $10 and up for postings. Method number 12 is to create a marketplace where folk can buy and sell products and charge a small fee. Another way is paid surveys and polls. There are companies that will pay you money to run a small survey or poll on your website. Basically, you need to sign up with them and select the kind of polls that you want to run your site. Most of these services operate under a CPM model. Another method is to simply sell or rent individual pages on your website. Number 15, highlighted posts from sponsors. TechMemem probably pioneered this idea, but somehow it has not spread to other websites. The Tech News aggregator displays editorial posts on the left column, and on the sidebar they have a section titled TechMeme Sponsor Posts. Another way to make money, but in my experience does not make much money, is to place a donate link or button on the website. Usually PayPal will provide you the HTML code to easily do that. If your blog or website is a niche, and if you have readers who learn and gain value from your content, this may work. In my experience, it does not. First, sell the website. Build a website and then sell it as a last resort. 19. Sell an ebook online. First, you have to write the ebook. Good way to do that is to go through an outfit called Author House. They'll do all the advertising, selling of the ebook, even a hard copy if required.